Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today is part 3 of our Hawaii shopping haul, and today we're going to unbox another Hermes bag. What you're seeing now is a clip from our first Hermes unboxing video that we filmed in Hawaii. And if you watch that video, you know that we scored a mini Constance in the gorgeous X9 color, so a really gorgeous light pink color in Hawaii. And if you haven't watched that video, please follow the link above and check it out. While you're enjoying the eye candy, just a little bit of story time. I went to Hawaii this time with my 2 girlfriends on a bachelorette trip. There are 2 Hermes stores in Hawaii, well actually 3 because there is another one in the airport, but as we flew back to San Francisco, we learned that they only sell to international travelers. So just keep in mind, don't keep your hopes too high because the airport stores won't allow you to even get in if you're only domestic traveler. So there are 2 stores, and there's one in Ala Moana Mall, and then there's the other one on Waikiki Beach. Our bride-to-be scored her mini Constance in one of the stores where she had spending history and built good relationship with the sales associate. Our other friend who had not shopped in Hawaii or in the Hermes Hawaii store before, and she also wanted to get a really popular bag. I'm not going to tell you what it is now, but she was able to score it in the other store. I think that was the day before we are going to leave Hawaii. We were just like shopping and browsing around, and she got a phone call from the sales associate she met the other day, and she was so kind to offer her the bag that she really wanted. So today we're going to do the other unboxing video, and very special about this unboxing video is that we filmed it at the Tiffany's. So it is a Hermes unboxing at the Tiffany's. A lot of you guys have commented and asked that I include the story and how exactly that we score the bag in addition to the unboxing video. And I thought about that, so I think it's a great idea. Because a lot of you might be just like learning about Hermes, and then you're interested in getting your first Hermes bag, and then you're kind of getting intimidated every time that you kind of walk past by or like walk into the store, and you don't know exactly how to get started. So I hope today's video will kind of like be helpful to you if you are also thinking about getting an entry-level Hermes bag. So let me take you back to the day when my friend and we did the unboxing. We opened up the Constance Mini at the hotel. We were super excited, and because I also brought my Constance Mini in the gold color, so we're filming videos and doing like side-by-side comparisons, and we thought, hey, why don't we just bring both of our Constance to the other Hermes store and try our luck? Perhaps we'll be able to score another bag for our other friend. The bag she's interested in is not any of the so-called quota bag, so not a Birkin, Kelly, or Constance. To be honest, some of you ask how easy or difficult it is for a new customer to get any of those bags. I will say it might be a little bit easier in Hawaii, but still, like in today's market, it's super competitive. So I don't think, you know, if you're like first time going into Hawaii and you just want, you know, a Birkin immediately, I think that's almost impossible. Most of the people that I know who got a Birkin, Kelly, or Constance in Hawaii, they usually have, you know, purchase history, and they have purchased other items before, and they've been patiently waiting for a few months and even years before they actually get their dream bag. However, if you're interested in more of an entry-level bag like the Picotin, Millie Evelyn, or the Garden Party, I think there's still a pretty high chance for you to walk in the store to start talking, chatting with the sales associate, and they might be able to offer that to you if they have stock that is available. Since our mission for the brides-to-be to score an Hermes bag is now complete, we decided to go to the other Hermes store and try our luck. We check out the shoe section, try on the few pieces from the new collection, and we also check out the fashion jewelry, for example, like the Pop H earrings and also the bracelets. We also check out some fine jewelry pieces. I don't know whether it helps to go with friends who already have Hermes pieces, but I think it is at least a good conversation starter because the sales associate immediately recognized the Constance bags that we carry and also the finesse necklace that I'm wearing. So I think if you are new to Hermes and you are kind of intimidated to just go to the store yourself and you don't know how to ask, it might be helpful to just go with friends who've already been through the process and friends who have, Hermes pieces to maybe help start the conversation with the sales associate. So our other friend actually bought a little gift for her mother-in-law. It's not expensive, but I think the sales associate was able to check out her profile and offer her a Picotin 18 the day before we left Hawaii. To be honest, my friend had very low expectation that she would get offered the bag because the sales associate keeps saying that they have very low inventory and this bag is in high demand, and she only bought the lipstick. But somehow I feel very optimistic because the sales associate really carefully asked for her color preference, the size that she wants, 18 versus 22, and she left her contact information with the sales associate and forgot about it. But who knows, right? 2 days later, she actually called. We saw like a unknown number, but we saw it was from Honolulu. So we asked a friend to pick it up and call back, and it was the sales associate. What a pleasant surprise, right? We immediately rushed to the store and picked up the bag. And because we had our engagement ring cleaned up at the Tiffany's, so we actually did our unboxing at the Tiffany's. Special thanks to all the sales associates at Tiffany's who allowed us to sit there and film this special unboxing. The color of the Picotin 18 is color noir or black, and what's special about this bag is it comes with rose gold hardware. I think I rarely see a black Picotin with the rose gold hardware, so it really makes the bag super special. And you see my friend immediately starting to put her phone, the sunscreen, and all her stuff into the bag. The Picotin 18, as I introduced in my other videos, it is super versatile and it fits a ton. I think it even fits more than a Birkin 25. I'm really happy for my friend that she got scored this bag because I know she's been looking for a Picotin 18 in the neutral color. So for neutrals, usually people are referring to the gray, black, gold, and the etude color. And for the black, because Picotin is so casual and I feel like you can just throw it on the floor, on the table, and carry it everywhere on all the casual occasions. And if you've been following me for a while and you watch my other Hermes unboxing videos, you'll remember that I also scored the Picotin 18 earlier this year. It was in the color etude with palladium hardware. I absolutely adore that bag. To be honest, even though I have now my Birkin 25, Birkin 30, and other Hermes bags that are more sought after, I still absolutely adore this Picotin bag. Unlike the more structured Birkin or Kelly, the Picotin bag is a more rounded buckle bag that is a little bit slouchy and very effortless. I definitely see myself carrying this bag a lot when I'm wearing casual clothes. Well, but sometimes even if you dressed up, carrying a Picotin can bring this effortless look to your overall outfit. I know a few friends who are years into their Hermes journey, but they still love collecting the different colors of Picotin bags. But if you just started your Hermes journey like my friend, you cannot go wrong with the neutral color, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's interested in the Picotin bag. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed the storytelling and also the unboxing itself. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!